To our dearest Papa.
Ala ka!
Merry Christmas.
May.
We know you didn't really experience these gifts. You're still a kid.
Kid.
We want you to experience it today. We want you to be happy. Thank you for everything you've done for our family. This is just simple talking for you. We pray for your health, safety, and more years with us. We love you. Heart. P.S. Hope you enjoy opening your gifts. We love Mama, Ate, Kuya, at Ate Naya, Kaya. Oh, so
And so on.
Ay, wala na feel si Faith.
Thank you.
Sige, katawa.
Ayaw sa mo. You cannot pick.
Asa, kaya ayaw. Asa mo pag ayaw
Kaya.
ka.
Open one by one. Isa lang kwa open da yun. Wala labot. Get one and open. Read.
Something for your ears. Wow.
Open.
Ay, kuhanin.
Tagan. What's your guess? What's your guess?
It's cotton bud.
Open. Ba nagisi Okay ra na. Gisi on. Kung magisi nimo. And correct?
Yes.
Correct. Second guess.
Okay.
Second guess.
What's that?
Shave.
What's that lagi?
Shave.
What's that something?
Something for your face.
Unsa daw to?
Shave.
Sige lang. Continue.
Shave yung pagkita mo.
Shave did ka. Wala. Papahira man na. What's that? Tagan. Kinsang idea. Ayaw, dili. Unsa na?
Oh, Niyubi, right?
Naguba ka diya.
Salt water.
Wala pa man may na explanation, wala pa man may kapalit o bag-o. Daan lang sa
Something for your mouth.
Oh, what's that?
Toothbrush.
And
Toothpaste.
wala, toothbrush na with cover. Uy, this is so fun.
Yes.
Yeah?
Maganda na.
Oh, yay! O, bago na. Bago na. Hindi na daan.
Kundaan man.
Isudsad. What's that?
Fish.
What's that again?
Bench nga kuhan. Hedo.
Something for your...
For your
Hair.
air.
Pero dahil na.
Kinsa ka idea? Ay, naman sila kay... Ay, later na ka ma-explain.
Ayaw na sa bangoban.
Nara na, dire. Nara na. Wala may imo kay papay raman kay wala man siya regalo. Siya, naman mo yung regalo.
Naman. Kitaro, dagan kayo.
Mga gina, kala ba lang oh?
Ay, kanisa. Anong nakabox? Unsa na? Taga na.
Yes.
No.
Ayaw!
What's your guess? Kinsa ka idea, Nay? Kinsa ka idea?
Oh?
Ano ba sinaya? Kanimay.
Bako.
Lucas.
Ay, Lucas.
Lucas.
Quiet.
Lucastic crocodile.
Sakto mo po.
Kana. Ay, wala. Katusa. What's that? Taga na.
Something like
Taga na.
Brief. Hindi mo na, dingog. Brief.
Sure.
Hindi na brief eh.
Dili, wrong. Unsay mo?
Brief.
Wrong.
Short time.
Wrong.
Short gani.
Sige pa. Open.
Ayaw na, bagis-gis.
Open.
Tote bag, ngipon nga bag.
Ay! Tawel!
Iope, dak. Wala. Sada kaya.
Bench ra ba na?
Oh.
Bangko ra ba na?
Ang ginsang money.
Ay.
Apa? The last.
Yeah.
Wala kay labot diya kay dili man kapapay.
Tanaw ko.
Dili ka papay.
Oh.
Abri man dan.
Unsa na? Wala na.
Joke.
De?
It's prank.
That's from me.
Mot ko ba?
Igo?
Taga ng brand. Taga ng brand.
Ay, sabi.
Wala. Wala.
RJ?
No.
Bam.
None of the above.
Chat.
Lo. Dili lagi ko kabalo.
Binuay?
Tanawa. Yay!
Unique mo nino.
Nara po ko yung paborito kong t-shirt.
Ako na to yung mga spirit.
Ala, no! It's mine! It's mine!
No.
Yay! Oh, ano sa'yo yung